So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your homie. That you want, then you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me.
Guys, before we start this vlog, I just want to let you know that my vending machines are finally here in Jamaica. So business is gonna start any minute now. Let's start the vlog.
What up, good? Dig off!
Funny. Relax. I don't know.
Damn!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here with yours truly, Nifa Rich, and my co-host
Brianna. Hi guys.
with 2N. Okay, so we wanted to wish you guys happy new year and also speak about our plans for the year. She just want to live, so oh god man. Brianna, tell me like 2 things you want to accomplish for the new year.
Okay, so 2 things I want to accomplish for the new year. But February alright, so I want to travel more. I just came back from a trip last weekend. Yes, I want to travel more. So if you have one little ticket, I want somebody to go on it, just text me. But yeah, travel more. Finish my degree. I need to finish my degree. So
Guys,
yeah.
you gotta be the grade.
Yeah, right. Like that.
Not necessarily, or if you have like a business mind and you feel like you can have one little business and it can work for you,
Yeah.
degree can be plan B. You know what? But it's nice to have. You get what I mean?
Yeah, but once you start, you have to finish.
Right.
Well, not have to finish.
Yeah. But you get what I mean? For me, I want to start posting consistently again
Yes.
because I haven't been.
Chat every single time we film one vlog. The long I wait, I count down the days beneath for post the video. So when on the
I like she a pump. Guys, honestly, I haven't been going anywhere. The vending machines, they're sucking the life out of me. So I'm a little bit stressed. So that's why. And Brianna go with me. She fly out the other day. You know what? So me never have nobody. Me never have nowhere to go. But
she never want to come with me. She did not want to come with me. I was like, let's go to Florida. She was like, let me see.
oh, me for go Florida without no money. What me I gonna do?
How me do?
Guys, the price are nice. Brenda said the sauce tastes like molasses.
Living lovely. I ain't wanna be with you.
Don't waste no money. But the drinks was good. The food.
Guys, we don't know what day it is, but we ended up at a car racing show. I didn't know right, Riu?
In Claremont, St. Anne. We're our next car.
Guys, Brianna stressed me out because
She only has one life, chat, and I'm making sure she enjoys it.
Fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on love. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody talking to me as soon as I step in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top, all the way at the top. Tell me what it
As we made it to the hotel, and it's so freaking pretty. I'm excited.
I'm just keeping it real. Baby still working at the club, so I'm getting in free. Wednesday night, I'm on the list, T-Pain plus 3. Every time I hit the spot, baby girl taking care of me. How do you think I feel? Who's in the streets, the dream? We drunk and talking now. Some cool.
Guys, we have made it to Rio look nice. We're not gonna lie. Rio look good. Feel like me there foreign. But it's pretty over here. You'll see that though.
Times it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down on me. Let your love just fall like rain, just rain.
Guys, this is what I have so far in my plate. I don't know if we get, there's too much different stuff and it's stressing me out.
Diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed again. It's my big bronze boogie got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. Some dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like flexing on the gram like hit the little John, okay. Oh yeah, we doing up in this game. Ooh, don't we look good together?
Guys, they also have a gym. Guys, you know, I wish I had my gym outfit right now, because I would get in.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basic with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and you're in the mood for empathy. The blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs lest I write it.
Guys, this is so pretty over here. Oh my days. It looks unreal.
Just keep on pushing on
I gave you the keys to my soul. You still don't believe, baby, I
He said
know.
he came from Jamaica. He owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never
They kind of ate with the sign. Look how pretty this is. It looks so unreal. Love it. I love it. Anyways, we're moving along. We're going to check out the pond. If they have what do you call it, turtles in there, that would be so cool. Well, let's see. I actually do see a turtle. Y'all see the turtle? It's right there. Do you see him?
Anyway, I felt them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out to Belgium. Welcome, bitches this pretty, that's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm on the D in the outer. I call him Tabby like louders. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's top of the top, but I never fuck with beginners. I let him then look at out of his fingers. I'm in the zone. Let's say hi to we can slide though. You can tell you whenever you want.
Guys, we're getting jerk chicken again from the grill. Yeah. What are over there? Keep the pork away from me, Mirasta. Thank you. The leg and thigh part. Eh? Pork no fi eat. Pork no fi eat.
Pork me eat.
Pork no fi eat.
Pork me eat.
No.
What you feel like?
Perfect.
You know pork nice?
Thank you, chef. Where pepper sauce?
Right here. You know pork nice?
No.
Now ask
We never eat it before.
should I try and missing out?
Are you made the sauce?
Yes, my baby girl. That's hot as your body, so you must know where
Yeah,
to do
here,
it.
the pork.
See there? This is a pork feed. See that? Never fails.
Pork not be here.
Lie you watch them.
Sir, what you having in your plate? Pork?
Yes.
You see? Pork not be eat.
Lie you watch them. That's the thing. One must say.
The food. Spicy. Spicy as hell. Take the talent show in. Guys, what up?
We fill it up with moments. Yeah, it's very slippery, guys. All right, yeah, man. All right, whoop. Up to the party. Gotta get our shirt. You guys, all right? Yeah, man. All right, let's go. Everybody doing their own dance right now. Let's go. Keep telling me this. Keep telling me that. Say what you take me with you. I never will. Now I got a lesson that I wanna teach. I'ma show you that where you from. Don't matter to me. She said, "Well, I got my time." And I'ma do it all day. Do it for the hate.
Strawberry daiquiri.
Strawberry daiquiri.
I got me a drink.
The flat.
Yes.
Now you come into my yard uninvited. When you see me on the edge, you know. The sun is setting and it is so pretty. Would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for
Guys, we're right with him and his son.
Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to holy. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm going, yeah. Running away from the
You know, time like record me, I don't even notice. Every time you must say, let me come around, and then you take it and put for me. Like me not in the whole day. Look cute though, so me no mind.
You are.
Thank you. The palm tree. Let me put some light on the beach. Guys, Jamaica is so gorgeous. There's so much to do here. Please comment down below and let me know if you love this vlog. Bye.